8 steps to fix a leaky hose bib. Step 1. Shut off the water. Begin by shutting off the water to the hose bib. Usually, you will find a shut-off valve inside the house, controlling the water flow to the outdoor hose bib. Close this valve by turning the handle fully in the clockwise direction. If your hose bib does not have a shut-off valve, you can shut off the water supply to the entire house. Step 2. Remove the handle. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the handle of the hose bib to the valve stem. Step 3. Unscrew the packing nut. Use channel lock pliers or adjustable wrench to unscrew the packing nut. Step 4. Remove the valve stem. Remove the valve stem from the faucet body. Step 5. Replace the stem washer. Inspect the rubber or neoprene washer at the end of the valve stem. If it is hardened, cracked, or deformed, this is very likely the cause of your leaky faucet. Purchase an exact replacement for the old washer and then attach it to the end of the valve stem with a screw. Step 6. Replace the packing string. Unwrap the old graphite or Teflon packing string from around the valve stem beneath the packing nut, then wrap several loops of new string around the stem in a clockwise direction. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Thread the valve stem back into the body of the faucet, then thread the packing nut onto the top of the faucet. Tighten the packing nut slightly with a wrench, then put the faucet handle back onto the stem and check the operation of the faucet. Step 8. Test the faucet. Turn the water back on and check the operation of the faucet, inspecting for leaks. If you experience any leaking around the handle, slightly tighten the packing nut a little further.